Welcome back to this channel. Let's see how long it will take you to solve this question. The question says, find the value of x given that 6 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x is equal to 11. Well, we can't use standard algebra to solve this question. The reason is because x is stuck as the exponent of two different numbers. So instead, we're going to be using a trick called the speeding car method or functional analysis. So imagine two cars, let's say car 6 and car 5, that are racing. Car 6 is faster because it multiplies by 6 every hour, while car 5 is slower because it multiplies by 5 every hour. So as time goes on, the gap between these two cars keeps getting bigger and bigger. So if x is equal to 1, let's plug it here. We're going to have 6 to power 1 minus 5 to power 1. 6 to power 1 is 6 minus 5 to power 1 is 5, and the result is 1. Now what if this time x is equal to 2? We're going to have 6 to power 2 minus 5 to power 2. So 6 to power 2 is 36 minus 5 to power 2 is 25. And when we subtract 36 minus 25, this is equal to 11. So we got it. The value of x is equal to 2. Is this the only answer? Undoubtedly, yes. Why do we say so? Think back to the cars. Since car 6 is pulling away from car 5 faster and faster every second, once the gap reaches 11, it will never be 11 again. It will just keep growing bigger and bigger and bigger, and that is how the gap will be. And if you think about the function, for example, f of x equal to 6 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x, this function is constantly increasing for positive values of x. So there is only one possible answer to this question, which is x equal to 2. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.